Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for today's video because it is long overdue. So I've already posted several sticker videos. So with those videos, obviously came a lot of comments with questions. A lot of the questions being, how much does it cost to get started in sticker making? How much does it cost to actually make a sticker? How much does it cost? So with all that being said, I wanted to do a video that I think was way overdue, and I really just wanted to dive into the cost that it takes to make a sticker versus if you decide that you are at the point in your small business that you can start outsourcing your stickers, and that's just one less thing on your plate. So if you're interested in seeing how much it actually costs to make a sticker versus how much it will cost to outsource, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I could talk to you all day about the cost of making stickers and how much it costs to outsource them, and we are gonna jump into all that. But I wanna start by saying that outsourcing your stickers may not be for everyone, just like making your own stickers by hand may not be for everyone. You need to do whatever fits your small business needs. And I just think it's really important that I say that because everyone is at a different point in their small business's journey. So I'm obviously at a different point now than I was when I started making my own stickers. So I really just want to say it just depends on where you and your small business is at and what your needs are. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's jump into the costs. So for today's video, I'm going to be referencing one particular sticker in my shop because it is one of my smallest stickers and it is the sticker that is closest to a 1 inch by 1 inch sticker. So I'm going to be referencing this sticker on how much it cost me if I were to make this sticker versus how much it cost me to outsource it. Okay, so first let's talk about the expenses that it takes to actually make your own stickers. So obviously you're gonna have to account for your supplies. So your sticker paper, or if you're printing on printable vinyl, if you're laminating your stickers because you want them to last a long time, you want them to be UV protected or waterproof, and the ink that it takes to actually print out those stickers. Now with those three supplies, that is not even including your wear and tear on your Cricut machine, the cost of blades because eventually you will have to replace those blades, the cost of your mats because eventually you're going to have to replace your mat, or you're going to keep rewashing your mat and respraying it to make it sticky again, which also costs money and time, and the wear and tear on your printer. And that's not even including the time and labor that it takes to make your stickers. And I'm not even talking about the time that it takes to actually design your sticker. I'm only talking about the time and labor that it takes to actually make your stickers.
So uploading your designs to your computer, uploading them to Design Space, getting them all fitted and ready on your Cricut Design Space, printing out that sticker, then taking that piece of paper, putting it perfectly on your Cricut mat, then tediously putting the laminate over your stickers, then loading it into the Cricut machine where you there have to wait a long time for your Cricut to cut out all of your stickers, and then you have to unload your mat, weed out all your stickers, make sure that there are no miscuts or anything like that.
So I'm not sure what you guys are charging for your time and labor. So I'm just gonna be talking about the supply cost and just have that in the back of your mind, how much time and labor goes into actually making your stickers. So with all of that being said, I'm gonna talk about the supplies that I used when I used to make my stickers. Okay, so for the sticker paper that I get, for basic matte sticker paper, this isn't printable vinyl, this isn't waterproof sticker paper, this is basic sticker paper. It feels just like regular paper on one side, but if you take the backing off on the other side, it's obviously sticky. So the cost of the sticker paper that I used, including tax and shipping, because that is an added cost when you order your sticker paper, I paid $19.56 for a 100 sheet sticker paper pack, and they're like your standard 8.5 by 11 sheets. So do the math on that, that comes out to about 20 cents per page. Okay, so the ink that I used for my HP inkjet, which is what I used to use when I made my stickers, it cost $35 for one black and one color combo. $35, and that's including tax and shipping. According to the box, it says that it can print 100 pages of full color. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my BS card because it only prints 50 at most, at most. I don't think I've ever actually gotten that, but I'm gonna overestimate here. just for the sake of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that it prints 50 pages of full color stickers, which comes out to 70 cents per page. Okay, and the laminate that I put on my stickers to make them UV resistant or water resistant, I paid $13.05, including shipping and tax, for a 1 foot by 5 foot roll, which comes out to $187 per page. Okay guys, so if you add all of those supplies up, that's gonna cost you $277 per sheet of stickers. And I say page of stickers very loosely because if any of you have done a print and cut on your Cricut, you know that you aren't actually printing a full page of stickers. You are only printing on a 6.75 inch by a 9.25 inch rectangle. So whatever can fit in that rectangle is what you can print and cut. So with that being said, I'm gonna add a picture somewhere over here where I took a regular piece of paper. I then cut out a 6.75 inch by 9.25 inch rectangle in a different color piece of paper, taped it on a regular size 8.5 by 11 paper so that you could see the difference. And don't forget, we are referencing my small business logo stickers. So I fit as many as I could on the page so we could get an accurate representation on how many stickers I can actually print and cut using my Cricut. So as you can see here, I was able to fit 23 stickers on this page, which comes to 12 cents per sticker. But do not forget that that does not include your time and labor that it takes you to make your stickers, the wear and tear on your Cricut, the blade, your Cricut mat, the wear and tear on your printer, and all that good stuff. So now let's take a look at the cost that it takes me to outsource these stickers. Now this sticker cost me 17 cents to outsource. And for those of you that don't know what I mean by outsource, that means I am ordering my stickers for another company to make and ship to me, where I don't have to put in any time, labor, and cost into making my stickers. I just get them delivered to my door and they are ready to ship out to customers as they are ordered. So as I was saying, these stickers cost me 17 cents to outsource and I got a box of 500 stickers. But I want to add, the more stickers you order, the cheaper it gets. So if I were to order 1,000 of these stickers, my cost per sticker goes down from 17 cents to 13 cents, which is only a penny more than what it costs to actually make the stickers ourselves. So the choice was very obvious for me and my small business, because I was starting to get more and more sticker orders, and it would take up half my day just to print and cut out the stickers for the orders that I was getting daily. So when I first started making stickers, it obviously wasn't a good idea to start outsourcing then, because I didn't have the orders to back up the quantity that I would need to order in order for it to be worth it to outsource. But once I started getting more and more sticker orders every day, it obviously didn't make sense for me to waste half my day sitting there printing and cutting out stickers for orders, which then didn't leave a lot of time to film videos, to craft, to make any of my other products that I sell in my small business. So then it obviously made sense to start outsourcing my stickers, because yes, they cost a tiny bit more than it cost me to make them myself. But when you think about the wear and tear on your machine, your blades, your Cricut mats, the wear and tear on your printer, and my time and labor, it just made sense to start outsourcing my stickers. Okay, so now that we've talked about the cost that it takes to actually make your stickers, or if you're outsourcing your stickers, now let's talk about the websites and kind of the process of ordering your own stickers. All right, so the website that I use to order all of my stickers is called stickerapp.com. And I will link them down in my description below so that you guys can go check them out. Another really good website that you can go check out is called stickermule.com. That is another great website that I hear a lot of good things about. I personally don't use Sticker Mule solely because they charge a little bit more than what I get my stickers for at Sticker App. But if you are wanting to put your designs on more products that you can sell, then definitely go check out Sticker Mule, because at Sticker App you can only order stickers, whereas at Sticker Mule they have some other products that you can put your designs on to sell. Okay, so just really briefly, I'm gonna touch on the process of getting your stickers outsourced and what all that takes, because I was kind of worried about how hard it was gonna be when I first started doing it, and it was actually one of the easiest things that I have ever done, so I just want to quickly share that with you guys. So basically, when you go to stickerapp.com, you can see that you can order like circle stickers, square stickers, or you can order the contour cut, which is what I always order. And that just means that it is cut perfectly around your sticker design. So then you would click the die cut sticker option, or I think on there it's actually called contour cut or something like that. You click that, and then you just upload your design. And from there, you can kind of mess with the actual cut around your sticker. Do you want there to be a tiny little space in between the sticker cut and your design? Do you want there to be a medium space, a large space? How wide do you want your outline of your sticker to be? Do you want a plain white background? Or do you want your sticker to be printed on like holographic vinyl or mirrored vinyl? Or do you want a clear background sticker? They have all of those options. Obviously, the nicer the material, the more that sticker will cost you, but that is also the more that you can charge for your stickers when you go to resell them. But I always just order the contour cut, and I just get these basic stickers. As you can see here, they are glossy, but they are great quality. So then after you kind of edit your cut line and you pick out what material your stickers are going to be printed on, then you just pick out what size you're wanting, and then you just go on to place your order. And I think the best part about this website is they have free shipping, and typically it only takes about a week to 2.5 weeks to receive your stickers. I've never waited longer than 2.5 weeks, but if you pay for their shipping options, then you can get your stickers even sooner. They do have a standard shipping, a fast shipping, and the expedited shipping that range from $5 to $50. All right, guys, so hopefully I answered some of your questions. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will answer those questions for you guys. If you like this video, please let me know that you liked it by giving me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, so you don't miss out on any other crafting tutorials or other small business tips and tricks. I'm super because one particular tip. Woo!